In the bustling kitchens of the Abell area, a common yet disruptive problem lurks within our sinks: jammed garbage disposals. These essential kitchen tools can become a source of frustration when they jam, often due to running without water, disposing of inappropriate items, or simply neglecting regular maintenance. But fear not, for there is a swift and effective solution at your fingertips. By calling 888-501-1193, residents of Abell can connect with qualified plumbing professionals, ready to tackle any garbage disposal woes. Don't let a jam disposal disrupt your kitchen routine or compromise your culinary space. Reach out today and ensure your garbage disposal is functioning smoothly, keeping your kitchen operations seamless and stress-free.